Hi everybody, it's day 8 of the 30-day organizing challenge. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are still excited. I'm just so proud of everybody and all their progress, and the before and after pictures are amazing. I remember progress, not perfection. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be just right. It just has to be good enough so that you can function in your space a lot better than you were before. So today, you guys, my favorite area and my husband's favorite area, the kitchen. We're going to start working on different areas in the kitchen. So today, we're going to do under our sinks in the kitchen. And I really want you guys to take this time to really look at stuff that you use and really don't use. Remember, always dispose of anything properly. If you recycle the items that need to be recycled. If you have a place where you donate items that are still good to be used. Don't just give away your, not saying things are junk, but don't give somebody something that you probably wouldn't use if you looked at it again. Really give away things that somebody can really use and kind of help them out as well. Also, I want to say that I see people are adding people to the group, which is great. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see their before and after pictures. You guys stay with me, stay focused. Let's go check out the kitchen. I hope you guys are still amped up and still pumped up. I can't wait to see even more before and after pictures. I love what I see so far. I can't wait to see what you guys are doing after these 30 days. So today we're going to focus on under our kitchen sink. Yes, our kitchen sink, the part where it becomes a dumping zone for just all our cleaning products, everything that we use, all our lights, all our different stuff that you use for the home. But in turn, we have so much stuff that we don't even really know what we have. So we're going to purge and clear out and organize under our kitchen sink today. So day 8, kitchen sink, you guys, really what I want you to focus on is really putting everything where it needs to go and making sure that you do your part as far as getting rid of the things. So again, and I'm going to post my before and after as always, but I have a rope. I have my little helper in the corner. I have my rope, this rope. I think we use this to move or tie something down. Why do I still have it? I don't really need it, or if I do need it, it can have a different use, and I'm probably going to use it for something else and show you guys what I use it for. Also, I have this bucket, but the bucket, nothing wrong with buckets, but the thing is the bucket is really not being useful because everything is still all over the place in here. I have towels in here that it's not really useful the way I'm utilizing it. So what we need to do is declutter and really go through the stuff. What do we really use? What do we really need? And once you do that, you'll be able to figure out, okay, what products I need. Do I need buckets or do I need something that stacks up? So you'll be able to decide on what do you really need before you start buying things. So I'm super excited. Day 8, don't give up, don't quit. Let's keep moving. Let's keep going. Let's stay pumped. Let's do this kitchen. We're back in the house now. Yesterday we did the car inside our cars, and now we're back inside the home, and we're going to declutter the most used area this week, which is the kitchen area. We use it all the time.